Emily's favorite toy. Is that fun? Oh. You want to dance?
Gotta get that elephant. You gonna get the elephant? Almost.
Good job. You did it. How does elephant taste? No, you want the monkey. Surely there's an easier way to do this, Emily. You think? What do you want?
Wow, you're picking up an entire elephant.
And a
And a
giraffe.
giraffe. That's pretty impressive.
You don't pick the small animals, do you? Oopsies. Oops.
Gotta go get it.
You have a whole zoo there? You do, huh? Was that necessary?
Thank you. I have a monkey.
Showing Daddy how nicely you share?
Can you get him back on there? Wow. You still have the you want me to put the monkey back? Okay. There's the monkey. You want the monkey now? Yeah. Hi. Is that a good ear? Which of the feet taste the best?
What?
What's up, Em?
The washing machine finished.
Can I have the elephant? Thank you. Should we put them back on the train? They're all back on the train.
You gotta show us how you can get there. Go, go, go. How's the floor? Yeah? You gotta go get it. How'd you end up without any toys? Yeah? You can scoot, do your butt scoot.
Go ahead. I'm not going to help you. It's all up to you.
Go play with your pants instead? Nice pants you got there. Feet. Should we say bye to the camera?
Yeah.
Cammy. Really?
Bye-bye, camera.
We forgot to say that Emily's 10.5 months old.
Bye-bye.
Quite the growing girl. Quite the growing girl.
Okay. You want to... Me too. Oh. Let me do this.
Show off for the camera.
Oh my god.
Stand up.
Let's go back here. Wave to the camera.
Emily. Hi. How are you? How are you? You're not going to wave? Hi. No waves? You're a little wobbly there. You want to take a walk? Oh, Daddy's helping. Is Daddy helping you? You know how to do it.
Let's go get Mommy on the camera.
This is Emily's favorite noise.
Let's go get Mommy on the camera. When?
Hey, you! One wobbly girl coming to mommy. You're getting very zoomed in on. Very zoomed in on. Oh, okay, bye-bye.